Vamos a continuar con los tomates ahora. If you remember when I started this, the experiment, because I've never done it, el experimento porque nunca lo había hecho. This is what I bought at the dollar store. Lo que compré en la tienda del Todo Luca. That came in a box. I'm gonna put the video up there. The link. Voy a poner el link por ahí para que lo cachen. I have 6 plants here. 6 and 6 and 6. 6 and 6. These are 2 different varieties of tomatoes. So I'm gonna put 2 plants per pot. But first, primero, I'm gonna take these onions in this pot and I'm gonna put them on this. And this I don't think has a lot of roots because I just did it a couple of days ago. This is un par de días, so and by the way, it could be wrong. Puede ser que esté mal, que esté equivocado todo, because I don't know. But I'm using the same mix for everything. For vegetables, for herbs, and for indoor plants. Estoy usando la misma mezcla de suelo que hice yo para todas mis plantas. It was very cheap. Very cheapo. One little onion here. The one over here. Okay, the onions are repotted. Let's get the tomato plants. Saquemos las plantitas de tomate. Remember that I grew this from seed, huh? Esta las crecí de semilla a couple of weeks ago. Hace unas semanas atrás. And they all, yeah, it was 6 seeds that came. Venían 6 semillas en el paquetito. They all sprouted. Germinaron todas. And I know I'm late in the season. Sé que estoy medio tarde, atrasado, pero I do everything mostly indoors during the winter, so yo generalmente hago todo esto adentro en el invierno with my grow lights and everything, so I'm not worried about that. One. This is the new pot I'm gonna try. Some people say it's just to plant outside, like directly on the ground, and not for container, but because this is like cardboard, recyclable, es reciclable, so it would incorporate with the soil at some point. Se va a desintegrar en algún momento. I'm gonna try it. Vamos a probarlo. And the last 2. There we go. Now we gotta do this. This one I'm assuming is the smaller variety of tomato. This. Done with the tomatoes. Listo con los tomatoskis. That's it.